In today's digital age, cyber threats evolve at an alarming pace, posing significant risks to businesses. Understanding this dynamic landscape is crucial for building resilience and safeguarding your operations. Enter DORA, the Digital Operational Resilience Act, designed to shield organizations from these emerging threats. It's your first line of defense in a rapidly changing digital world. DORA stands for the Digital Operational Resilience Act, a comprehensive framework ensuring digital resilience across the EU. It's more than a legal obligation, it's a strategic advantage for businesses. Compliance with DORA not only protects your organization, but also positions you as a leader in digital security. It's about staying ahead in a competitive landscape. DORA emphasizes risk management, incident reporting, and operational resilience. Regular testing and assessment of digital systems are mandated to ensure robust defenses. Understanding these components is essential for compliance. They form the backbone of a resilient digital infrastructure, safeguarding your business from potential threats. Non-compliance with DORA can lead to severe penalties and reputational damage. Organizations risk operational disruptions and financial losses, undermining trust and reliability. Compliance ensures your digital operations are trusted and reliable. It's about securing your future and maintaining a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in cybersecurity and compliance. Our tailored solutions meet DORA requirements, ensuring your organization is protected. Prioritizing DORA compliance safeguards your digital infrastructure. Reach out to Arrakis Consulting for expert guidance and support. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com. Let's work together to build a resilient future for your business. Take action today. Contact Arrakis Consulting and ensure your organization is DORA compliant. Let's secure your digital future together.